Welcome children. Today is worksheet number 12, Nutrition in Animals. Today in this worksheet we will discuss how digestion take place in grass eating animals. Grass eating animals में digestion कैसे होता है. खुशी, a student of class 7th, was on a field visit to the nearest animal farm. खुशी कहाँ गई थी? पास के एनिमल फार्म पर विजिट करने गई. She saw animals like buffaloes and cows were continuously chewing even they were taking rest. What she have noticed? उसने नोटिस किया कि animals like buffaloes and cows were continuously chewing, लगातार चबा रहे हैं when they were taking rest, जब वो बैठे हुए हैं. Now, grass eating animals quickly swallowed the grass or food during eating and store it in a separate part of the stomach which is called rumen. Rumen क्या होता है बच्चों? Rumen is a part of stomach in which quickly swallowed grass is stored by the grass eating animals. The food gets partially digested in rumen and is called cud. Cud क्या होता है? Partially digested food in rumen. But later the cud returns to the mouth in small lumps and animals chews it. ये जो cud है partially digested food is returns to the mouth and then chewed by the animals. This process is called rumination and these animals are called ruminants. यहाँ पर आपको गाय का ये स्टमक दिखाया हुआ है. स्टमक का rumen पार्ट आपको दिखाया हुआ है जो जिसमें फूड क्विकली स्वालोड होकर स्टोर होता है. द ग्रास इज रिच इन सेलुलोज. ग्रास में कौन सा पदार्थ ज़्यादा पाया जाता है? दैट सेलुलोज. सेलुलोज इज अ काइंड ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट. सेलुलोज ऑफ द फूड इज डाइजेस्टेड बाय द एक्शन ऑफ सर्टेन बैक्टीरिया in a large sac-like structure between the small and large intestine. There is a sac-like structure which is called cecum. This cecum or sac-like structure is present between the large and small intestine in which certain bacteria digest the cellulose. Since these bacteria are not present in humans, therefore we can't digest cellulose. हम सेलुलोज को डाइजेस्ट क्यों नहीं कर पाते बच्चों? क्योंकि बिकॉज सीकम और सैक-लाइक स्ट्रक्चर इज नॉट प्रेजेंट इन द digestive system of human. So the bacteria are not present in the human, therefore we can't digest the cellulose. Your first question is what is rumen? Rumen क्या होता है बच्चों? Is a part of stomach in which quickly swallowed food is stored by the grass eating animals. Write 3 examples of animals. You can write any 3 examples of ruminants means grass eating animals like buffaloes, cows, goat, etc. Why human can't digest cellulose? Human क्यों नहीं digest कर सकते cellulose को? Because sac-like structure which is called cecum is not present in the digestive system of human and that is why we can't digest the cellulose. Fill in the blanks. The grass is rich in dash, a type of dash. The grass is rich in cellulose. यहाँ पर आप क्या लिखेंगे? Cellulose and which is a type of carbohydrate. The animals which can do rumination are called rumenthi. ये एनिमल्स क्या कहलाते हैं? जो च्यूड करते हैं. These animals are called rumenthi. So you have to write rumenthi here. Thanks for watching.